bro.
Oh, there you go. There you go, Ness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so beautiful. I wanted to, this little guy is my new best friend. Hi, I love you.
Bro's like, yo, I got the whole thing.
No. Hello. Look at you, an eclectic parrot.
Oh my gosh, scripted it.
And then,
almond.
Yeah, he's liking the almond you gave him. And this is an eastern long-billed Corella. Look at you. You should feed him another one, Daddy.
Oh, do you want something else?
Maybe. I bet if you show him some food.
The way they like
Hello. Oh, aren't you beautiful? You don't look real. Well, hello. Goodness. Over there you can let the parrot sit on you. You gonna try to feed him? Oh, I'm filming this. He's probably squawking because you didn't feed him.
That's what I thought too.
Nope, he just wanted to let you know what was up.
Nope.
Or he doesn't like walnuts. God, he's beautiful.
I love how they use their beak to climb.
To walk and climb, yeah.
They like swing from it. So cool.
They tell us you bite. We're not gonna feed you. Hello.
You're lost.
Right? Hello.
No.
Hello. Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
I should say something more interesting.
Say something more interesting. Do you like scratches? The other bird told me to get scratches.
That's funny timing.
I wonder if he understood us.
I don't know.
You're pretty smart.
How are you doing? How are you doing?
Hey, here you, buddy. You have to break some open yourself. There you go. You got all the open ones already. What's happening? Let's see what he's doing.